Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can download and install Audacity on Windows 10. Audacity is a audio editing software. With the help of Audacity, you can edit your existing audio and even you can record your audio with the help of Audacity software. And you get all the features which you need in audio editing. So let's see how we can download and install Audacity on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. So first of all, we have to download the Audacity installer file. For that, open your browser, search for Audacity and open the link from audacityteam.org. So don't worry about the download link. The download link will be on the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download Audacity. It is a free, open source and cross-platform audio editing software. So this is available for all the major operating systems. Here you can see the latest version, that is 2.3.3. To download, just click on download Audacity. And here you have to select your operating system. So we want to download and install Audacity on Windows computer. So simply click on Audacity for Windows. So this is the download page of Audacity. So to download Audacity, you have to download this Audacity 2.3.3 installer file. So just click on this link and here click on download Audacity Windows installer. And here you can see it is downloading, so it will take some time. So let me complete the download process. After the installer file has been downloaded, just open the file. Here click on yes. And here we have to select our language. Before that, let me minimize the browser and here select your language and click on OK. So this is a setup window. Simply click on next and here we have our license agreement. Simply click on next. This is the location where Audacity is going to install. So if you want to change this location, then simply click on browse and browse your location where you want to install Audacity. For now, I'm just going to keep it default. Then click on next. And here you can check this box to create a desktop shortcut. Then click on next and simply click on install. So it will install Audacity on your Windows 10 computer. So installation process will take some time. So wait till the installation process complete. After the installation process complete, you will get an information box. Simply click on next and here you can see installation has been successfully completed. Now if you want to launch Audacity right now, then click on launch Audacity, or you can simply uncheck this box and click on finish. Now let me show you the interface of Audacity. Simply click on Audacity. So this is the interface of Audacity. Now if you want to record your audio with the help of Audacity software, then simply click on this record button. It will start recording your audio. Now if you want to stop your recording, then simply click on this pause button. So this way you can install Audacity on your Windows 10 computer. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.